What's up, ladies and gentlemen, this is Adric Technology. You're back with another video. The video of today, or the purpose of the video of today, is to turn your lives around in the forex market.
Oh yeah.
Either you've lost a lot of money and you're still struggling to make money in the market, I'm going to help you with everything that I can, because I have been there and it hurts. Trust me, I know what you're going through. I can't guarantee you success, but what I can guarantee you is that if you haven't made your first $10,000 in a month in forex, this is the time. So guys, I have been in the market trying to do everything that I could to be profitable, but the journey is not easy, guys. There are so many factors to be profitable, and we need to come together to help each other reach that goal, because there are a lot of things to be considered. With that being said, this is how it is going to go down, and this is how I'm going to help you with what I know. I have my strategy that I use, and it has been doing wonders for me. Then I thought to myself, what can I do to help many people who are still struggling to make a certain percentage in a month? Trust me guys, I really want to help you, but I'm sorry I can't teach you how to fish with my strategy. The least that I can do is to give you the fish that are signals. These are not just any signals, no. You are going to love this, and you're really going to see a big change in your account growth. Hey, don't panic, I know what you're thinking. This is not a clickbait or something ask for money or anything like that. I just want to help a certain number of people to reach their financial freedom. Here is the kicker. My signals are only on Fridays, and we only go for 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. No one is going to give you that 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio for free. So you guys, you should take this opportunity not for granted. We only go for 4 days in a month to trade. Only 4 days, guys. Going for 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. And just to lower your expectation, we get a minimum of 10% a month. And think about it guys, when you have 100,000 capital in your account. Oh, if you're thinking that's too much, you don't have that kind of money to trade with, don't worry. I'm going to introduce you guys to Profens that will help you trade with bigger account size up to $400,000 and beyond. I'm going to help you with everything that I know. So we're going to start from the very beginning so that we all start at the same time and at the same foot. By beginning, I don't mean beginner trading education. I'm not going to be doing that. Please, I need people who at least know what is buying, selling, and what is a stop loss, and what is take profit, and how to execute a trade. I'm going to link a Telegram group and a WhatsApp group down below, and these are all for free guys. This is all for free. You don't have to pay for anything. So guys, join in very fast, and don't forget to share to as many people as possible. Please, to as many people as possible, so that we begin at the very same time, so no one will miss out. So right now, pause and share this video to as many people as possible. Many people that you know that they are into forex and need this and need to hear this and need this. Share this to your friends, share this to your family, share it to everyone guys, share it to everyone, so that we will get this money back. These are very quality signals guys, I promise you this, and you're going to be surprised why am I giving all this for free. You can use those signals to pass your Ftmo challenges, your funding talent challenges, or even any Profens challenges. These are all for free, and you only have to trade on Fridays, only 4 days a month. That's all you need to make a lot of money guys, and we're going to do that on one single pay. Just one single pay guys, so you don't have to worry about your time, you don't have to worry about anything guys. I'm just going to be sharing you everything that you need. I'm just going to be giving you everything that you need for free, things that even your mentors, they don't tell you, even the people who you paid for, they won't tell you guys. So guys, I'm going to be giving you more important stuff in these groups, things like money management, risk management, things that are very important in trading more than signals, more than strategies, more than anything that you might think about. So guys, join the groups below and share to everyone that you know, especially those people who are failing to make a certain percentage each and every month in their account. Guys, we are going to take this to another level. The easy thing about it, we don't have to worry about anything. Why? Because we only trade 4 days a month and we only trade on one single pay. Guys, this is going to be amazing and you're going to be surprised. This is going to be fire, guys. So share this video to as many people as possible and share these links to as many people as possible. Let many people join as soon as possible. Get the links below, guys. Join for free, and I'm not selling anything for you guys. I just need a lot of people to get freedom, to get their freedom and their time back. Please don't forget to like and share as soon as possible and let the journey started, guys. We are going to start, and I'm going to share. We are going to start as soon as possible, and I'm going to share the first signals on this coming Friday. So guys, you have to be prepared for this because this is coming. And we're going to talk more about how you can get funded, how you can grow your small account so that you can get funded monthly or yearly. So we're going to be talking about many things, guys. So don't forget to join. Don't forget to join as soon as possible. Guys, I'm saying this because I know that you're going to love this. So guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. This is Edric Technology here. Thank you. Peace out.